Where are we going, Ben?
We're gonna go teach some kids some coding. Morning, kids.
Hi, I'm eating a bagel. I'm a sophomore.
There we go.
And I study information management technology at the high school and also public relations at the SIU House School of Public Communications. That's right. And I have minors in Spanish musical performance.
My name's Ben. I'm a dual major between the Whitman School of Management and the high school. I'm a sophomore, and I love technology.
I'm Maeve. I'm a sophomore in high school studying information management technology. I'm a minor in retail management and concentrations in retail strategy.
I'm Brandon. I'm a freshman at the high school. Yeah, I guess that's good.
So we went into like an intro to computer science course and we were teaching coding and we had some like online applications that we were using, but a lot of them were blocked by the school and we kind of had to find another way around that. But I think they really liked it and they got to like mess around with some cool things, like just coding can do anything, so they made like little turtles go around and
High school ingenuity.
high school ingenuity. We got around all of our problems. Amazing. And we repped the high school. See my socks?
No, now he's mad because he doesn't. Hey, Bean!
Ow!
Put it, Coco, Jojo.
He is aggressive.
Jojo.
Oh, hi, ass.
Now he wants some.
Who's a good doggo? Okay, you're not a good doggo.
Hey,